No way.
Give it a try, buddy.
Hey! You're running out of room. Nice job, Elliott.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Here, try it out. You want to ring the bell? You know how to ring it, right?
What are you looking at, Elliott?
Hold on to one hand.
The pretty tree with the blooms?
It's really pretty. Hey, look.
It's our magnolia tree.
It's really pretty.
Should we show everybody our magnolia tree? There it is. Can you back up on your bike? Beep, beep, beep.
Olay!
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 You like that sticker? Oh, nice job. Nice, Elliott.
That's pretty good, buddy. Look at you getting control of that bike. You're getting it, buddy.
I'm impressed.
You're getting it.
So much to do, so little time.